Hey Alicia, thank you for requesting my video. Today I want to talk about 5-star restoration. Before we get into that, I do want to um, shed light on the 3 different ways on how you can be found on Google. So let's get started. Now, when you type in, say, water damage restoration in Sacramento, the first thing that's going to pop up on the top is the sponsored area up here. And this is basically where, if you're paying for ads, this is where you will be found on Google. The second way on how you can be found is the map pack area. It's these 3 top positions here. Now, in order to get up here, you need to get enough citations, preferably more than what these guys have, and also you need to complete your profile at 100%. The third way you could be found is these 3 organics up here. So you have Angie, ATI Restoration, Service Master Restore. Now keep in mind that the reason why Angie is up here is because they are pushing at a national level, and you would like to be pushing at a local level, which ATI Restoration is doing here, but not enough to pass Angie. So about 70% of your business can be acquired through these top 3 spots. That being said, let's move forward. Those are the 3 types of ways on how you can be found. Now, let's talk about 5-star restoration. I like how the logo is up here and how there's a video here. And also, you got some cool drop downs here with some clickables that I can click on. You got About Us page, got a Contact Us. Okay, it looks really good. So you have some content here. You have some clickable photos here that I can click on. Okay, that one's clickable. Alright, so we all know that content is king, and Google really loves content. Now, to me, it looks like you have roughly 500 words of content. To set yourself up for proper SEO backlinking, you would need at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage alone. So with that, I mean, it's pretty clear what Google really wants. They also want you to save your keywords. Like I noticed that you have one here. They want at least 1 keyword per every 250 words inside your content. So with that being said, let's take a quick look at the content of your competitor. Now, here's ATI. They also have some clickable photos here, but they don't have much content. It looks like you have a little bit more content than them, which you are dominating them in that area right now. So, I mean, definitely we can beat them with one of the major things on how we can get you to the top. So with that being said, let's take a quick look and an overview of what Google looks at your website. So this is a tool. It's called Ahrefs, and I plugged in 5starrestoration.com, and it tells us the strength of your website and how Google looks at you. So you have 341 backlinks going back to the trust right here, which is the UR of your website. So, I mean, it's not very powerful. I do not know how long your website's been up and running, but it looks like it's still kind of staying stagnant. You got 154 traffic going through it, which isn't bad, but it can definitely use an upgrade of improvement. Now, these are the different keywords that are going through your website right now. So, I mean, 5-star restoration, people are looking those up. Smoke damage. So let's take a quick look at your competitors. Now, they are a little bit stronger. If you take a quick look, that's yours and that's theirs. Now, they are pulling in a whopping 7.6 thousand traffic to their website. Now, what's good about building a website is you can make it your own personal ATM, so to speak. Now, if you optimize fully, with, like I mentioned earlier, with proper SEO backlinking, then you can't lose. You will definitely dominate that area that you are targeting. So, with that being said, that's about all I have for keywords backlinking. So you definitely want to up your game on that, and that would you definitely win. You just got to do what ATI is doing, and then some. Then you can pass Angie. So with that, I hope this information is useful to you. Let's do a quick recap on what we discussed. 3 different ways on how you can be found is the sponsored area up here. The second way is the map pack area, where 30% of your business will be acquired. And lastly, the organics, where 70% of your business will be found. So if you're not up in these positions, you're definitely leaving money on the table. And if you happen to need a guide, feel free to contact me. My name is Joshua. I'm with Peterson SEO, and I'm willing to help you in any endeavor that you need. Think of me as a guide to kind of help you get over that hump and crush your goals. So with that, I hope the rest of your day is good to you, Alicia, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye now.